Welcome to Nonna's Here.
And I'm Nonna. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. I hope you're having a great week. Better than I had last week. I fell. So, this is what happened. I was going into my craft room, and in one hand, I had my dinner plate, and in the other hand, I had my salad. Now, I had a box sitting on the floor with supplies that I was working out of, and I decided I could scoot around the box. Well, my scooting days are not as good as they used to be. So as I went in, I tripped over the box. My salad went one way, and I went down. My craft room doubles as a guest room, and in the room there's a bunk bed on the top, and on the bottom is a couch that folds out into a full-size bed. I tripped over the box, my salad went one way, and I went down against the metal post of the bunk bed and the ladder. I hit my shoulder and my arm, and down I went. I hit this part of my arm, I hit underneath my arm, I hit my shoulder and my hip, and down I went. Now I have to tell you, as we get older, we don't bounce back from falls like that as fast as we used to. So my crafting was definitely curtailed for the rest of the week. But I had 2 easy, fast, budget-friendly crafts in my video stash that I can show you today. So, today I have 2 really fun crafts to show you. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you, I did the narrative early this morning and I hadn't had my second cup of coffee. I didn't hit my head when I fell, but I hadn't had enough caffeine. So during the narrative, I keep calling the mirror that I did a clock. I don't know why I kept calling it a clock. It's a mirror. Also, I kept telling you that I got the supplies from Hobby Lobby. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby for months. All the supplies are from Dollar Tree. So, I now have had my second cup of coffee, and I can tell you, even though I've hurt my arm, I didn't hit my head, and it is a mirror, not a clock, and I got the supplies from Dollar Tree. So let's get over to my craft table, and I'll show you my 2 fun crafts. It's a short video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you back at Nonna's Here very soon, and I hope nobody falls. Thanks so much.
DIY number 1. For this one, I got a clock at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use some of these gold leaf stickers. I had 5 packages, but I only used 3. I'm going to use some of these foam mounting squares that I'm going to cut up, even though the leaves had little stickers on the back that worked really well, but just in case the stickers weren't exactly where I needed them to be. The leaves came in 2 sizes, large and small. So I cut up the foam stickers in small pieces, and then I used the foam stickers that were on the back of the leaves also, but sometimes the stickers weren't exactly where I needed them to be. I layered the leaves around the clock, and I put big ones down and small ones down, and just layered them on top and underneath to cover the clock underneath. But I didn't worry that it was completely covered. I let some of the black show through. I covered entirely all the way around, and then I went around and bent up the leaves to make it more 3-dimensional. I just folded them up. So I had used 3 of those packs. Now there was a little hanger in the back, but I decided to hot glue some twine down in the back to make an easier hanger. And this is how it came out. I think it came out real pretty. I was very pleased with it. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell and the word all so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'd love it if you made a comment. All right, on to DIY number 2. For this one, I had this in my stash, little glass jar. The sticker didn't come off very well on the bottom, so I used some goof off. And then, of course, I cleaned it with some alcohol and a cotton pad. I'd gotten these stickers at everything from Hobby Lobby, and I had this bag of rocks, but I changed those out at the end. Then I had these succulent picks that I was going to use and some styrofoam. So I cleaned off the sticker on the bottom, and then I cleaned off the outside of the little glass jar with my alcohol. I stuck the succulents in some styrofoam, put the big one in first, then the small one was in this little pot, but it wouldn't fit. So I took it out and stuck it in a smaller piece of styrofoam. Then I put the rocks in, but like I said, these rocks were too light and didn't really show up the stickers that I had stuck around the sides of the little glass jar. So later you'll see I changed those out to the black rocks. I put all the little stickers around the 3 sides of the little jar, and I'm just putting the rocks in around the styrofoam that was holding up the succulents. And then I took my Cricut and I made a little sign that said "Stick with me." So here I changed out those white rocks to the black rocks that I had left over from another project I had made. And there is my little sign that says "Stick with me." And that's how it looked when I was done. I was glad I changed out the black rocks because now you can see the sign and the little stickers. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit the bell and the word all, and please comment. And that's the end of my short video today. I hope to see you again at Nonna's Here very soon. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.